so we're going to take a little time for Q, Ray, and Jay. We are going to answer your questions. Take it away, baby.
This one is from a happy hostess on Instagram. Can I prepare stuffed mushrooms ahead of time? Do I freeze then bake or bake then freeze?
Oh, this is such a good question. And it's a complicated answer that you're going to hate. I buy the mushrooms fresh that day, partially bake, upside down, so most of the liquid falls out. You can make the stuffing, freeze it, defrost it, and reheat it in a pan. Crab stuffing, I make mushroom stuffing too for vegetarians. I can make the stuffing ahead. Honestly, it's easiest to just make it day of. It's less complicated and you have less of a worry about the moisture content. The most important thing to remember is whenever you make stuffed mushrooms, upside down first, let all the liquid drain out, par bake them at a very high temperature for a few minutes, then let them drain, save all of that liquid and put it into the stuffing, period. Flip it over and then fill the caps. Now, if you want to pre-fill caps, par bake them a bit or just put them away cold and bake them off later. It'll work, but you have a really high moisture content when that cooks up again in the oven. So the whole top may slide off when somebody goes to bite into it, which is why I prefer to make the whole thing the same day. See how complicated that was?
That was complicated. This is from Risk28 on Instagram. Have either of you attended any of your high school reunions?
No.
I have
but
not.
I go to, well, I did pre-pandemic, many times for many years, back to my high school, and I see many of the people that I went to high school with in different grades, not even my grade, but assorted grades, people that graduated before me or after me, whenever we do fundraisers at our local high school. So I feel like that was a reunion several times over. How about you, hon?
I don't think I was ever even invited to any of the reunions.
And no one liked John.
They must have lost my address or something.
They didn't want John to come.
No. Did not want me there. Oh, so the last thing we have is not a question at all, but it's actually a gift that was sent in to us.
We finally found this, and I found one in my basement. Wait, I have one too.
Okay.
So this one I found in the basement, and this is the work of Barbara Richardson. Barbara Richardson did this. Thank you, Barbara. We love you. And
this
oh my
beautiful
God,
quilt.
this actually went to the show, not to our home. This just made me cry for like half an hour.
This is from Kathleen Nathan and her sister Mary Coonrot.
There's a note in one of the corners here, honey. Right there.
It says, do not remove this tag under...
Oh, stop it.
No.
There's their loving note and this beautiful craftsmanship. And look how good those go together. Look how well they match. We love you all so much. Thank you for making us a part of your lives and your work and your passions.